In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate pages on Wix Studio. If you're building a site and want to reuse a layout or speed up your workflow, duplicating a page is a simple and reliable way to do it without starting from scratch. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few helpful tips so you know what to expect. First, open your site in the Wix Studio editor. Once the editor loads, look for the Pages control. In Wix Studio, this is accessed by clicking Page in the editor to open the Pages pane. This panel shows every page on your site, so it's the best place to manage your structure and quickly find what you want to copy. Next, locate the page you want to duplicate in that list. Hover over the page name to reveal more options, then click the three dots icon to open the page menu. This small menu holds the most common actions for that page. From here, choose Duplicate. The editor will instantly create a copy of your selected page and place it right in the Pages pane, typically with the same name plus the word copy added to it. And that's really all there is to it. Your new page will contain the same layout, sections, design elements, and content as the original, which makes it perfect for keeping consistent styling across your site. It's a great approach when you're building multiple service pages, location pages, or campaign landing pages that share a common structure. After the duplicate appears, take a moment to confirm it looks correct in the preview. Because it's a copy, it will inherit everything from the original, including fonts, colors, and most elements you've added. This helps you maintain consistency and saves time on repetitive formatting. A few quick best practices as you move forward with your duplicate. Consider giving the copied page a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it at a glance in the Pages pane and avoid confusion later. Check your site's navigation to see whether the duplicate is showing in the menu and adjust visibility if needed, especially if you're not ready to publish it yet. When you're preparing the page for public use, personalize the content, update any internal links that reference the old page, and make sure the URL slug and SEO settings match the new page's purpose. That's it for duplicating pages in Wix Studio. It's a fast, dependable method to keep your design consistent and your process efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy building.